Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the second part of the video series. And in this video, we will see how we can add back facility in our application. So, in our web view, we cannot go back to the first page if we navigate to the second page of the website because we didn't add that. But right now, we are going back or kill the application. So, for that, we need to implement like that. So, first of all, we need a handler. And here we need to switch this message. And that's it, our handler is ready. Now let's check that if the user pressed the back button or not. So we can get that using the set on key listener. That's it. Now let's run this application and let's see is that working or not. Can we go to the back of the website or we are just killing the website? I forgot to add the return true here. That's why it is not working. So let's run it again, and I hope this will work this time. Okay, now let's click on back. Yes, it's working. Now we can navigate to back of the page. So that's fine. Let's improve our web view so it can load faster than faster. Okay. So for that we need some settings to improve our loading speed. That's it. So let's run it and let's see if our web view has the power to improve this loading speed or not. Right now the Google is loaded without any kind of doubt. Let's play some videos. It's loading quite faster. Let's close the application and let's try it. Opening it again. Yep, it's working fine. It's loading so much faster than before. Great. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will come back with the third part of this video series and meet you guys in that video. Thanks for watching.
You and me,